What features make supercars different than the average car? Supercars boast engines that are larger than life, literally. Unlike your daily driver, a supercar's engine is a behemoth, designed to propel the machine at breakneck speeds. We're talking a staggering 500 to 900 horsepower. And forget about rear-engine designs. Supercars opt for front-end or mid-engine placements to avoid drag and maximize performance. Ever fantasized about zooming past 200 miles per hour? Supercars turn that dream into reality. Their acceleration is jaw-dropping, hitting 60 mph in as little as 3 seconds. It's not just about the speed, though. It's the rush of reaching it so quickly that sets supercars apart. While your average car stands 6 to 8 inches off the ground, supercars hug the pavement at a mere 4.5 to 5.5 inches. This isn't just for show. The low ground clearance sharpens the vehicle's aerodynamics and lowers its center of gravity, allowing for balance and precision during those high-speed turns. You'll never see a supercar with front-wheel drive. Why? Because they require a level of performance that front-wheel drive can't offer. Supercars need power distributed evenly, which is why they're built with four-wheel or rear-wheel drive. This ensures maximum power and handling, giving you control that the average car can't match. Is a supercar the next luxury item on your list? When you crave an exhilarating drive that your average car can't provide, remember the supercar's unique features. They're not just cars, they're experiences on wheels.